In this short training video, we will add a caller now to myVirtualCaller, okay? So what you're going to do is click on the Add Caller button here, and you're going to get this dialog box here, okay? And you'll see several fields here. First thing you want to do is give it a name. So I'm just going to use myself as an example right now. You want to give them a login username, and you want to give them a password. So I'll just say password. Okay. Now this is the email address that their morning reports are going to be emailed to them as far as their follow-up calls. So whatever email, so some email. Now if you have a different Pipedrive account that you want to associate with this caller, maybe it's their own Pipedrive account, this is where you would put in their Pipedrive key and also their Pipedrive website key. Now if you don't know where this is, just go back to the video on Pipedrive and grab those keys, or have your user send over those keys for you. Same thing with the MailChimp, okay? So if you're using a different MailChimp account, all you have to do is get that key and put that in here, and these will overwrite your default keys that are in the settings tab, okay? Now once you're done that, the next thing you want to do is select a default list that when someone clicks on the MailChimp button inside their interface, that's the list that they will be added to. So in this case, I'll put that. And finally, with this option, if you want to make this MailChimp list available to the caller, and so instead of it being a one-click add to a campaign, but you want to give that person the ability to actually select a campaign to add them to it, what you're going to do is you're going to check this box off, and when they click on the MailChimp button, they'll then be presented with this list associated with the API, whether it's the API on the settings or the API at the caller level. Okay, so once this is done, all you have to do is click Save. And then the caller is added, so you can see now that I'm right down here. If you want to manage it, all you have to do is come over here and click on Manage, and you can bring it up and make the changes. All right, so this wraps up the video on how to add a caller to myVirtualCaller. And in the next video, we're going to talk about how to create calling scripts with Google Docs. I'll see you in the next video.